Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a field in HubSpot CRM. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and settings. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button, and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is the central hub for managing everything from user permissions to data properties. Once the settings panel opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several sections listed vertically, and you need to locate the one labeled Data Management. This section contains all the tools related to how your data is organized and stored within HubSpot, including custom fields, properties, and object settings. Under the Data Management section, click on Properties. This is where HubSpot stores all the custom fields and default properties associated with your CRM objects like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Properties are essentially the individual data points that make up your records, so this is the right place to manage them. Now, at the top of the Properties page, you'll see an option that says Select an Object. Click on the drop-down menu beside it. This allows you to choose which type of object you want to work with, whether it's contacts, companies, deals, or any other object type in your CRM. Select the object that contains the field you want to delete. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the properties list. In this search bar, type in the name of the field you want to delete. This will filter the properties and help you quickly locate the specific field without having to scroll through the entire list. Once the field appears in the results, you're ready to proceed. Hover your mouse over the field you want to remove. When you do this, you'll notice a button labeled More appears. Click on this More button to reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on this property. From the drop-down menu, click on Archive. Archiving a field is the first step in the deletion process. It removes the field from active use but doesn't permanently delete it right away, giving you a chance to recover it if needed. Now, after archiving the field, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see an option that says Delete Permanently. Click on this option, and a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete this field. This is an important step because once you delete it permanently, the field and all its data will be gone for good. Finally, click Delete to confirm your action. And that's it. The field has now been permanently removed from your HubSpot CRM. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.